Kanu and welcome to Prospect Channel TV. Here we give you the latest update of Nigerian news. Thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. If you have not, please kindly do so by pressing the subscribe button. Thank you very much once again. God bless you. Trending news. 7 found dead in hair salon in Niger State. It is a black sallah for families of at least 7 individuals who have been found dead in a hair salon in Niger State. Findings shows that the incident happened in Regional Local Government area of the state on Thursday night, who the victims, comprising of 2 married women and 5 ladies, went to the salon to make their hair in preparation of the Salah celebration. Trouble started when it started raining heavily, and the owner of the salon, determined to finish making the hair of her customers, turned on the generator and carried it inside the shop, locked the door and continued her work. However, barely few hours after this deadly move by the store owner, 5 of the victims, having inhaled the smoke from the generator for too long, suffocated to death instantly, while the 2 other women who struggled to survive to the next day morning later died after they were discovered. It was gathered that the victims would have survived but for resistance from some individuals within the community, as the victims later died after they were eventually rushed to a nearby hospital. The victims have since been buried according to Islamic rites. The police public relations officer of the state, Abiodun, confirmed the incident, stating that investigations will be carried out to ascertain the actual cause of the incident. Hello viewers, what's your take on this? You see, I am still surprised that till now some persons are still ignorant about this generator stuff. This is too much. Last week, the same thing again. Something like this happened in Delta State, Asaba, precisely. Okay, the 5 persons was found dead in the house. You understand? Some persons are saying that maybe it's the generator or whatever flames that they hailed, that suffocated them to death. But people should learn that this thing is very dangerous. This generator, you have to keep it far from you. You understand? What will even make you brought in a generator inside a shop and you locked it with human being? I don't know how some people think. Anyway, what has happened has happened. With this, some other persons, we still have to learn lessons from this. Yes, because we learn every day. They should know that this generator, whatever, is very, very dangerous. Okay, it's not what you play with. You keep your generator far from you. You can imagine these people, they just meet their death like that. Okay, let's hear what Nigerians have said, those of them that have reacted here. The first person I have here said, it's a lie. They should actually look into this matter carefully, because I don't think it will be generator that killed them. Anyway, according to the write-up, they said the woman brought in generator inside the shop and locked the door. You understand? So at the end of it all, the generator, they suffocated them to death. So if there is any other thing, the police have not actually investigated much to tell us if it's not generator flame that killed these people. Okay, somebody said, yeah, I don't know when people will learn lesson. Okay, I don't know why would she carry generator inside the shop and at the same time unlock it. why would she do such a thing? I wish the woman who was still alive would have said that she still has some other plans, but now that she too is not alive, so I don't know what to say, he said. Okay, someone said bad news every day in Nigeria. You wake up this today, you hear another one. Tomorrow you hear another one because of God has backed this country. Please, we don't want God to back this country. Be cool. Okay, someone said, this is a lesson to so many others, mostly those people that live in Face Me and Face You apartment. The way they secure their generator is wow. They should try to know that this generator flame is very, very dangerous to human health. It's not what you play with. You can imagine now what this woman has caused to these families because they want to make their hair. What a loss, he said. Okay, someone said, these people now so their life be. They no go get sense. No, that is too strong. I don't want to take that. Okay. Okay, someone said, may their soul rest in peace. And this is for other persons to learn that keeping generator inside where you are staying is very dangerous. You don't trade for that. Okay, someone said, may their soul rest in peace. But it was a very big mistake for the woman to bring in generator inside the shop and at the same time unlock the door. Okay, someone said, what a loss. I can imagine what the family of these people are going through. Salah has turned to death day. Okay, someone said, may their soul rest in peace and may God receive their soul in heaven. This one that they don't go do hair die. I hope say devil not go come they drag their hair for there. Okay, you don't need to judge the dead. Okay, there is no need for that. Anybody can be a victim. It can be anybody. That is it. Because it happened to someone, that does not mean that it cannot happen to anybody. It can happen to anybody. You understand? So we should also note